I'm going to pick a number. So we're going to have the line. So we're going to make a number line. And you pick, the way you do that is to pick 2 points. So close your eyes and there you go. Right there. That's going to be 1 point. We're going to make that 0. And, and that's going to be 1. So 0 to 1. And that's going to be 1 unit. So that's gonna go 0 to 1, and that's 1 unit, and then 1 to 2 is another unit. So next we have all of our units together. On our line. So 0 on the other direction, you're going to go to -1, and then the next unit over is -2. So that's all. Those aren't natural numbers. So if you have -3, that's 3 units over to make -3. And so then you have fractions as well. And we'll discuss that later. And you also have irrational numbers. And they're similar to fractions. So you have your number line. So as you can see on the board. What's the change? That's right. So the units changed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. They can be small units, they can be big units. So something you need to understand. Which is greater between 4 and 2, and the answer is 4 is the greater number. You can see it on the board. So in the greater number, so if you add 1 and 2, which is greater? 2. 2 is the greater number. So why is that? Because it's on the right? Yes, right. It's on the right side of the number line. So what if you have 5 and -3? Which is the most, which is the greatest? I'm sorry, -5 and -3. So -3 is the greater number. Whichever's to the right and whichever's to the left. Which is greater? The right? Right, okay. So it's always to the right is the greater number. And the least number is always to the left. So sometimes the number line is changed and it's on the vertical axis. So what's an example of a number line that would be like this? The thermometer? Yes, right, okay. A thermometer. The higher numbers are at the top and the lower numbers are at the bottom. So now I'm going to give you an example and you're going to tell me "25 degrees so which is the most great? Yes, exactly. So positive 25 degrees. So if it's less than 0, how do you show that? Negative. Right, exactly, negative. So another example is football. So we have yards less. So what does that mean? That's a negative 6 yards. You would use a number line like this, but either way, either number line can work.